This video is intended for the online section of the Astronomy 100 level course to give you tips on your textbook reading assignments. Before starting your reading, make sure you have the conceptual outline from Canvas assigned to you, which will also link you back to the required readings. You can independently access the reading just by searching for Openstax Astronomy. Then choose Table of Contents and search down to the section assigned for the topic module. Here is an example from topic 2, which explores the nature of light and telescopes. You will notice there is an overview at the beginning that is similar to your study guide. Use this to check your learning. You will notice highlighted bold-faced terms that you must be able to define by the end of your reading. You will also have visuals in the forms of figures that you will be required to be able to interpret or even recreate. You will not be required to memorize precise numerical data at this level. However, you will be required to give qualitative comparison in the magnitude of numbers. For example, you will need to know that infrared light has longer wavelength than visible light, whereas ultraviolet light has shorter wavelength than visible light. The same thing goes for any equations and example calculations. You will not be required to make these calculations nor remember the exact equations, merely the qualitative relations. In this example, the only thing you will be required to remember is that bluer stars are hotter and redder stars are cooler. Don't forget to check out the summary of each chapter afterwards and to create a checklist of the key terms you need to be able to define. Note that just memorizing these definitions is not sufficient to be able to answer qualitative comparative questions on the homework or a quiz. As always, please pay attention to common misconceptions that are highlighted in your textbook reading, videos, and postings from your instructor. These will help you give correct answers and avoid false ones on both the homework and quizzes.